What's up, y'all? We back with another one. I got the shrimp reheating, or not reheating, but thawing out in there. But while we waiting on that, we're gonna get this broccoli and sauce going. You know that shrimp is the quickest thing, so I'm gonna start this. Can't start it without turning it on though. That's the thing, right? We put the rice back here. Let y'all see everything I do. Y'all see the broccoli. Oh, let me get the butter. Got the butter. Butter right there. See, got the butter. Got the oyster sauce. Do some of that umami. There we go. Some honey. A little bit more. There we go. That's it. So you put honey and season and sauce, right? Without spilling it everywhere. If y'all ever used honey, y'all know that shit gets stickier than glue. Take some of this white pepper. And a little bit of the pink salt. Mix it around a little bit. Add some garlic powder. There we go. Onion powder.
Yo, you waiting to get loaded?
I'm waiting to get unloaded.
Huh?
I'm waiting to get unloaded.
You waiting to get unloaded?
Yeah.
Oh, all right.
Hate when people climb on my truck. And then we got the little bit of cayenne, just give it a little kick, a little open you up, miss. Take the broccoli, put the broccoli in there. Grab this knife back here, mix that around so that broccoli get all that. Ooh, knife fell. I know y'all saw that, huh? Mix that around. I might need more butter. I think I will need more butter. Let me taste this real quick. Ooh, that's gonna be good. That's gonna be real good. Might be one of the better things I've made in here, y'all. Being honest with you. Just being real with you. Might be one of the better things I've made. butter. It's not much sauce. Yeah, we almost. It's that simple, y'all. You guys can make this stuff at home. I'm telling you. Telling you. It's gonna be a short video, y'all. The only thing we have to do is let this saute up. Peel the shrimp, put it in, and we'll be done. That's simple. But we'll be. All right, we back. Finally got opened up. Now I'm finally getting unloaded after being here for 4 hours. Freaking nuts. As soon as my food's ready to get cooked, as soon as my food's cooking, then they want to call me. But it is what it is. It's part of the career. But hey, we'll be back after I peeled it. All right, y'all, we back. And as you see, they just got it in my trailer. Time to put the shrimp in. Shrimp only gonna take about 5 minutes. Let it mix around, soak up all that good flavor. Ooh, knock that down. Oh, found one I forgot to peel. I didn't forget to peel. I didn't peel it all the way. Some broccoli. Oh, that's the one I was peeling when they called me from my door. Okay. Now just rotate them. Let them cook. Y'all see how easy this is to do though? Violent. And it's windy outside, so that don't help much. But hey, we'll be back when it's done. Alright, we back and we ready to finish this thing. As y'all see, that's the rice, baby. Got the rice done. We're gonna scoop some of this good stuff out. Oh, I need to get a paper plate. Not using styrofoam for hot food like that. Paper plate. Bow! Just like that. Now let's get it going. Rice is done. Y'all, this is the finished product on the shrimp and broccoli. What y'all think about that? Yeah. know I'm gonna have enough to eat tomorrow. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Easy meal. Easy meal. It was something nifty. This is what we working with, y'all. I didn't make a whole plate because I'm hungry, but this is what I cooked tonight, y'all. What y'all think? Let me know in the comment section what y'all think. That is a shrimp and broccoli over rice. Y'all saw how I made this sauce? If y'all watch the channel, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share the content, y'all. Hey, Trucker's Life, and I'm out.